Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work a cable tube back without a cable needle. So there's two ways to do this. The first way just involves rearranging your stitches really quickly. My yarn is just waiting in the back. I go into the second stitch from the end as if to purl, so from right to left. And then I kind of pinch that first stitch with my finger and slide both off. And then without moving much, I slide that first stitch back onto my left-hand needle. Should look like this. And then I can slide that stitch from my right hand needle back to my left. And there you have it. You've just rearranged your stitches and now you can just knit them as normal and they are twisted. The other way to do it just involves knitting the second stitch first without rearranging anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go into the front loop of our second stitch. So just go into it from left to right and just get the front loop. So it should look like this. And then yarn over from front to back. Pull a loop through that stitch. Now don't slide anything off yet. Now we're going to work the first stitch. So there's our first stitch. We go into the front loop of it from front to back. Yarn over, pull through. And now you can slide both of those stitches off your left-hand needle. And there you have it. That is a cable to back. Personally, I find the second way a lot faster, but it might not look quite as neat as rearranging them first. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to see more tutorials, please consider subscribing.